Mass COVID vaccinations have managed to stem the rising tide of hospitalizations and deaths in the UK, but the situation threatens to get increasingly precarious as new cases soar ahead of winter. That makes the new finding of a study conducted in Brazil all the more encouraging. A cheap antidepressant called fluvoxamine, available on prescription in the UK under the name Favorin, slashed the risk of unvaccinated COVID-infected patients needing hospital care by almost a third. This dramatic finding was the result of a trial involving over 740 people who tested positive within 7 days and had underlying health conditions. Patients were administered a daily course of 2 pills for 10 days. Of those given the medication, 6% required hospital care compared to 7% in the placebo group. All told, the researchers said the cheap antidepressants slashed the risk of hospitalization by 32%. The findings could have profound implications for parts of the world that are starved of vital vaccines. Fluvoxamine primarily functions as an antidepressant that boosts the supply of serotonin in the brain to improve mood. However, serotonin also plays a role in regulating the immune system, preventing it from misfiring on healthy cells. This overreaction is thought to account for COVID-19 hospitalizations. The Brazilian study got underway in January 2021, when COVID vaccines were only just beginning to make their way into populations. Participants were recruited from 11 sites in Brazil. They were 50 years old on average and all had at least one underlying health condition, such as type 2 diabetes or high blood pressure. Roughly 741 people who had developed symptoms of the virus and tested positive up to 7 days ago received the treatment. Of these 10% were hospitalized with the disease, but only 1 died after catching the virus. A further 756 patients were placed in the placebo group, which involved taking a pill that did not contain the drug. Results showed 119 of these were hospitalized, 7%, and a further 6% died from the virus. The researchers found no safety concerns with the drug, which is given to Dr. Gilmer Reis, a cardiologist from Belo Horizonte Hospital in Brazil and co-principal investigator of the trial, said, "Our results are consistent with earlier, smaller trials." Given fluvoxamine's safety, tolerability, ease of use, low cost, and widespread availability, these findings may have an important influence on national and international guidelines on clinical management of COVID.